So for this video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my waterproof vinyl stickers. So first you want to open up your photo editor. I use Photoshop, and you want to make a new file with a file size of 6.75 by 9.25 inches. And I just went ahead and put my files on there. As you can see, it's basically the image with a white stroke around it. I try to place as many stickers as I can on one piece of paper. If you're using the Cricut like I am, you want to make sure that the images are the closest it can be to the edge. Remove the background and save your file as a PNG. So now upload your image onto the Cricut design space as a cut and print image. You'll want to resize it to 6.75 by 9.25 inches like before. And now it's time to make and print the image. I use a Canon Pixma Pro. The paper I used for the stickers is an adhesive matte vinyl paper by Photo Paper Direct, and I'll post a link in the description. So the next thing is laminate. I cut my laminate so that the whole sheet will fit in between the registration lines that's on the paper. Stick on the laminate and try to make sure that there are no air bubbles. Back to the Cricut. I have the Cricut on the poster board setting. I put the sheet on the light grip mat and then I load it onto the Cricut. This is the most satisfying part of making stickers. I like to repeat this process 3 times to make sure that the stickers are fully cut. Now just peel off the stickers and then you're done. And that is how I make my stickers. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. I'll also write all of the materials that I used in the description box.